Are you ready to start our meditation?
A mother and daughter are sitting on the floor of their living room. The daughter is cross-legged, and the mother is sitting upright.
Yes, Mommy.
Good. First, we need to find a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged like me, or you can sit in a chair.
I'll sit cross-legged.
Okay, next, we need to close our eyes and relax our bodies. Take a few deep breaths.
Inhales and exhales deeply.
Now, let's focus on our breath. Pay attention to the feeling of the air as it goes in and out of your nose.
Focuses on her breath.
If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath.
Nods.
We'll meditate for 5 minutes. When the timer goes off, we'll open our eyes and stretch.
Okay.
Starts the timer.